Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan tea. First, select your favorite tea type, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a soothing herbal blend. Next, choose a creamy plant-based milk alternative like almond, soy, or oat milk. Heat your water to the correct temperature, then steep your tea leaves for the recommended duration. Finally, combine everything for a perfect, comforting cup. It's a simple process with delightful results. Choosing the right tea and plant milk pairing is key to a delightful vegan tea experience. For strong black teas, like Earl Grey or Assam, richer milks such as soy or oat milk provide a wonderful creaminess. If you prefer green teas, like sencha or matcha, lighter options such as almond or cashew milk complement their delicate flavors beautifully. Herbal infusions are versatile and can be enjoyed with any plant milk, or even black. Remember to consider unsweetened varieties to control your tea's sweetness. Achieving the perfect brew involves precise techniques. Always use fresh, filtered water for the best taste. For black tea, heat your water to approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit, while green tea benefits from a slightly cooler 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep black tea for 3 to 5 minutes to extract its full flavor, and green tea for shorter 1 to 3 minutes to prevent bitterness. Promptly remove the tea leaves or bags to ensure a perfectly balanced cup every time. Customizing your vegan tea allows you to create a truly personalized beverage. Sweeten your tea naturally with options like maple syrup, agave nectar, or a rich date paste. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding warming spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, or a small pinch of fresh ginger. A dash of vanilla extract can also add a lovely, creamy aroma. Adjust the amount of plant milk to achieve your desired level of creaminess and enjoy your perfectly crafted vegan tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.